Are you having trouble keeping track of your employees' time? When do they arrive? How long are their breaks? Do they leave early or stay late? We understand keeping track of your employees' time and attendance is time-consuming. Owl Time Clock can help. We have a time and attendance product to suit any business size, structure, or need. For example, time card punch or pen entry, or swipe card, or take advantage of the only time and attendance product to eliminate the risk of buddy punching with our hand punch system. Plus, unlike other providers who depend on depot or manufacturer for servicing needs, Owl Time Clock offers on-site support. Imagine the ease and convenience of dealing with one person, face-to-face. When you take the guesswork out of time and attendance monitoring, you enable your employees to be more productive. Owl Time Clock's easy-to-use software and comprehensive reports will help make your bottom line more profitable. And it gives you back more time to spend building your business. Call Owl Time Clock today. Let us help take away the hassle of chasing and monitoring employee time and attendance.